What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James, and today we're going to be touring this property right here on Fig Garden. Let's give you guys a quick review of this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1/3 of an acre. So let's go ahead and show you guys. So currently, guys, this one is going for around 500, and I believe it's 45,000. So let me double check, but it should be around 545,000. All right, so we're here in Fresno, and yeah, let's check it out real quick. Nice pool, good sized yard. It's a beautiful home, especially for 585,000. Sorry. It's a beautiful house. It'll make it really good short-term rental. Let's go check it out. I mean, love the backyard. The pool house right here. All the fruit trees. The client should be here pretty soon. So we'll just wait on that. But really nice sized backyard. Beautiful. Guys, what do you think? You like this place? It's about 1/3 of an acre. Alright? So 1/3 of an acre. Let's see. We got the ring camera. Alright, so right when you walk in, we got the blinders on. Very nice, cool and shaded. Kitchen. Upgraded. I like how they have the leave AC on. Nice white backsplash. I mean, I don't want to turn off the lights or anything. Got the side garage. That's pretty cool. AC unit. And then this lead to the other side of the house. Yeah, I mean, it's like a garden back here. We got the vegetable garden, corn. Let's continue with the tour real quick. I mean, if you're gonna buy a house with a lot of backyard square footage, it's important to have a lot of manpower, just because require a lot of maintenance. Here's the master. We got the nice mirror right here. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I have a feeling this house was an Airbnb, but then the owner decided that they wanted to probably sell it. It's a beautiful house. Beautiful house. Here's another bathroom. Nice flooring. A sewing machine. So it's not an Airbnb or anything. Someone did live here, but it would make a perfect Airbnb for sure. Get like at least $700, $600 a night. Probably around $500 a night. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace and love, guys.